This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to enable two-factor authentication now. First, sign into the account and go to Security or Login Settings. Find two-factor authentication. Choose your method. Authenticator app is stronger than SMS. Hardware keys are strongest. Once selected, open the Authenticator app or plug in your hardware key. Make sure you also set a recovery phone number or email. Start the enrollment process immediately, so you can scan the QR code or register the key and receive the initial verification code. Once you've scanned the QR code or entered the secret key, the authenticator will generate a rotating code every 30 seconds. Type that code into the website to verify. Make sure to download or write down backup codes and keep them offline, and register a secondary method such as a backup phone or hardware key. Configure trusted devices to reduce friction and adjust session timeout settings if available. These steps balance security and usability, so make decisions based on how often you sign in. Complete the setup by signing out and signing back in to test the full flow. Enter password, then the authenticator or hardware key code. Once successful, secure backup codes in a password manager or a physical safe and note which device holds your authenticator. If you lose access, try backup codes, use a registered secondary device, or follow the service's account recovery procedures. If recovery fails, contact support with proof of identity, remaining calm, and documenting attempt speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.